Hello, my name is Miriam, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a standard cartoon person. You may not be that skilled with art, so that's why we're drawing a standard cartoon person. It's very good for you to draw because it can relieve your stress and puts your emotion into the artwork, so you're overall way more relaxed. Step 1. Find the correct colors for your picture. This is important because the colors of the picture, especially when drawing a person, can determine the style or mood of the picture. For this specific drawing, we will be using green for the shirt, yellow for the hair, a light peach color for the skin, and brown for the shoes and pants. Step 2. Find the correct coloring tools. This step is important because some of the coloring tools such as paint and pastels are normally used for larger pieces. To get more in depth with detail, it is important to use colored pencils, which is what we are using today. Step 3. Draw the base. This step is very important as it lets you set up the majority of the other steps. When you draw anything, it is important to go step by step before getting into the more complex side of things. Step 4. Draw the arms and legs. When drawing the arms and the legs, make sure they are symmetrical. This is important as it makes your drawing more professional, organized, giving your drawing a better look overall. Step 5. Draw the hair and ears. The ears do not have to be detailed, simply just an ear-shaped pieces on the sides will do. As for the hair, make sure it does not cross into the outline of the head. This is important because it will make it easier to draw on it, and also the hairline will be added later on. Step 6. Draw the facial features. This step is extremely important as these features are the main things people focus on when they're looking at any drawing. Make sure the eyes are nice and large, and for this picture simply make the pupils of the eye a small black dot. The feet should be shaped like little half circles on the bottom of the legs, and the hands should be shaped normally. Step 7. Color in the drawing. Finally, we get to color. Remember, color determines the style, mood of the picture, making it another major step. Make sure the coloring is neat and not out of the lines. Fill in any absence of color, such as random white spots. Step 8. Shade. Shading is the last and final step and is also optional. It makes your picture look even more professional than it already is and gives a little more realism even if it's a cartoon, and simply some lighter or darker colors around the edges of the shirt to make it more realistic.
Well, there you have it. I hope that this video has taught you a thing or two about drawing a person and the steps it takes to do so. Remember, these steps can even help you later on if you continue to pursue drawing just about anything. Did you know that people that draw a lot, professional artists' brain are different than a normal person? They have better visual, imaginary skills and observation skills than the average human.